This is one work plan, just a single Excel sheet that literally changed my career. It got me noticed, trusted, and eventually promoted. But here's the crazy part. No one actually teaches you how to make a work plan that actually works. If you ever felt like you were juggling between tasks, deadline, and expectation without a clear plan, well, I got it. I have been there too. A few years back, every project I handled felt like chaos. Too many moving parts, too many unknown. Until one day, I built a work plan that's so clear that my manager actually called it's the most organized summary he had ever seen. And that's when things started to change. Today, I will show you exactly how I made that plan step by step and why it worked. Let's be honest, most work plan fails before even they start. And I say that because my first few was total disaster. I thought work plan meant dumping tasks into Excel sheet, adding dates and calling it a day. But within weeks, my deadline slipped. My inbox exploded and my stress through the roof. Turns out that I didn't have a plan. I had a list. A real work plan is a story. It explains who is doing what, by when, and why it matters. And I'm not alone. PMI data shows 37% of projects fail because of poor planning and unclear role. So if your team constantly firefighting, the problem might not be effort, it might be structure. So before fixing your plan, ask this simple question. Does everyone know what success looks like, or we are just guessing? Once I realized my mistake, I started from scratch. I stopped trying to make it look fancy and focus on clarity. I built my plan around 5 sections. Number 1, scope, what's in and what's out. Number 2, timeline, only key milestone, not every micro task. Number 3, resource, basically who owns what. Then number 4 is about risk, what could go wrong and what could derail us. Then number 5 is progress tracker, weekly pulse update, simple enough to review in 10 minutes, powerful enough to guide 6 months of execution. And here's the kicker, teams that document responsibility clearly are 60% more likely to finish on time. It's not about tool, it's all about clarity. It just needs one page that everyone actually reads. But even the best plan fails if no one knows it exists. And that's where my promotion story really began. So, few weeks later, I walked into my project review meeting. I was nervous because it was the first time my manager would see my new work plan in action. Halfway through, he looked at me and said, "This is the clearest project update I have ever seen." And that's when it hit me. A good plan doesn't just manage work, it shows leadership. See, managers spend over 35% of their time chasing clarity. When you bring it to them, you instantly stand out. You become the calm in the chaos. So, don't wait for people to ask your plan. Share it, lead with it, because clarity is contagious. It wasn't the Excel sheet that got me promoted. It was the ownership behind it. The plan was just a proof that mirror showing my intent to lead, not just execute. When you take charge of clarity, people start seeing you as someone who can handle bigger things. And that's what leadership really is, clarity under pressure. So, next time when your project feels overwhelming, don't freeze. Don't wait for someone to fix it. Start with a clear work plan. Keep it simple, own it, because clarity isn't just a skill. It's a signal that says you're ready to lead. We'll see you in next one. Till then, keep learning, keep leading, and most important, keep believing.